Here is how to bridge Ethereum to Arbitrum step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official Arbitrum Bridge at bridge.arbitrum.io. Connect your MetaMask or Web3 wallet and make sure you're on the Ethereum Mainnet. In the bridge interface, select Ethereum as the source network and Arbitrum One as the destination. Choose the token you want to bridge, usually Ethereum, and enter the amount. Click Deposit or Bridge, then confirm the transaction in your wallet. Wait a few minutes for the transfer to complete. Bridging from Ethereum to Arbitrum typically takes 5 to 15 minutes, depending on network congestion. Once confirmed, switch your MetaMask network to Arbitrum One. You'll now see your bridged Ethereum or tokens available on the Arbitrum network, ready to use in DeFi, swaps, or DApps. And that's how you bridge Ethereum to Arbitrum. Fast, scalable, and perfect for saving on gas fee. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.